have idli. This is upma and coconut chutney and sambar. So we are now leaving Tribo Redfern and we are going to Jungle Kids Coorg Resort. So we started from Madikeri and was on the way to Kushalnagar. The road is very smooth and it's a short journey. It took us roughly 1 hour to reach the resort. Recently on our way to Coorg, we covered Bailakuppe Monastery and that's a must visit. If you haven't checked that, I will link my video up there on the right side. We finally reached Jungle Kids Coorg Resort and this place is full of greenery and we totally loved the ambience when we entered the resort for the first time. The kids were so happy and excited. This is the main building and here is the reception. This whole place has a very nice earthy and rustic feel to it. The ceiling, the chandelier all looked so aesthetic. They offered us a nice welcome drink when we entered into the reception. The wooden staircase on the left side leads us to our rooms. Finally, we entered our room and we liked it. It was a 3-bedded room which opens up to a balcony. Now we reached Coorg Jungle Kids and it is quite a good, nice property. Any which ways, we headed towards the swimming pool. The pool was very welcoming and they had rain dance, water slide, and we enjoyed all these activities a lot. They had a few indoor games and activities like trampoline, chess, ludo, indoor football, etc. After that, the children were just looking all the activities and they were exploring. Soon they served us lunch and we sat for lunch since we were very hungry after all those swimming, and it was already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And the food that was served was really very nice, and all the items were very tasty. And the kids wanted to have ice cream, but they did not have it in their menu. But they were very kind enough to get ice creams for us from an outside local store. Yeah, so they served us really well. They also do have some outdoor games like basketball and badminton. Post lunch, we went out to explore the outdoors and see their garden. They had so many plantations, many trees they had, like that of figs, dates, betel nut, custard apple, blackberries, and many more unusual trees. I don't know all the names. My husband was telling me the names of the trees, and we had nice conversations. I don't know all the names, although I had a good learning experience with him. They have a nice kids park with all the basic amenities like swing, seesaw, slides, climbers, etc. Children also loved the outdoors. Also, they have a basketball court, badminton court. You can play volleyball here too.